Cameron for Cass Mortgage Minute. According to a new Manulife Bank of Canada study, they found that 38% of Canadian homeowners felt that housing in their area is unaffordable, with the most pessimistic folks in BC. The survey revealed that 46% of those looking to buy in one of Canada's largest urban areas, Vancouver, Calgary, Edmonton, Toronto, or Montreal, would describe their housing markets as affordable. The perceived lack of affordability was most acute in Vancouver, where just 1 in 3 buyers felt that the market was affordable. However, not everybody saw affordability as an issue. About 68% of buyers looking for a home outside of Canada's largest cities described their real estate market as affordable, with the most optimistic buyers in Atlantic Canada, where 83% of them described their markets as affordable. The study also found that the housing costs have put a lot of pressure on budgets. They found that 27% of homeowners didn't feel they could handle unexpected household expense, such as a major car repair, furnace replacement, while 38% admitted to being caught short over the past year with an unexpected expense. The majority of those facing any kind of bills, they had very few options they could turn to. They felt they would just rely on a line of credit, credit card, possibly lean on family. Only 20% of homeowners had actually reported setting aside $5,000 for an emergency, while half of those indicated they had $1,000 or less. So, what does this tell us? Well, this tells us that as homeowners we should be prepared. We should have some kind of a rainy day fund. Otherwise, we're going to be turning to high interest credit cards. We're going to be turning into family. We're going to be turning towards a lot of other things, which are going to put a lot of financial stress on us for the future. Sometimes a good option to look at when you're faced with or mired with some of these hits is a possible refinance. That's something we could look or explore for you. Give us a shout at the Auxilium team. Auxilium simply means to care, aid, assist, and support. We do that 100% of the time for 100% of our clients. If you need anything, don't hesitate. Give us a call today.